Welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Target beauty box for you guys. I don't know if this is like monthly anymore. I don't know if this is seasonally. I don't know if this is like whenever it comes out. I feel like this would be the February box because it has hearts all over it. So we shall find out. All right, it definitely has to. So this is called Love Yourself. And it says, hot date with your significant other. Bing rom-roms with your besties. Valentine's Day might be all about romance, but it's also that one special day where you get to love yourself just a little bit more. Can't agree more. To get you in the mood, we rounded up some beauty sweet treats you need to pamper yourself with some extra TLC. That's very, very cute. So inside, as usual, you get $3 off your beauty purchase of $15 or more, which is always 100% million times worth it because your box ends up being $4. All right. So in here, the first thing we have is a Dove Dermott Care Scalp Anti-Dandruff 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. Next thing in here is a Nexus Protein Fusion Shampoo. And this says Color Assure Long-Lasting Vibrancy, and it has elastin protein and quinoa. How do you say that? Interesting. And then with that, you get the conditioner. And this one is the Nexus New York Salon Care Step 2, because the other one is Step 1. Color Assure Vibrancy Retention Conditioner. And the bottle, I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of like iridescent, like a pinky iridescent bottle. It's so pretty. The next thing in here is from Pantene, and this is an alcohol-free hairspray. Okay. Next thing in here, I'm actually glad I got this because I'm really enjoying the other one that I got, even though the smell's not my favorite. And this is the Native Deodorant in coconut and vanilla. And this is a natural deodorant, guys. So I'm like excited because it actually does work. I like the smell a lot better. I'm going to be excited trying this one because I do like the smell a lot better. The next thing in here is from No7 Laboratories. And this is the Line Correcting Booster Serum. Little sample. Next thing is from Love Beauty and Planet. Of course, heard great things of this, and I have tried a conditioner and a shampoo and I like it. And this is actually a dry shampoo, which is always nice to have. And it's in citrus peel, so I imagine that it smells citrusy. Let's smell. Yeah, it does smell really good. Yeah, it does smell nice. That's good. And the last thing in here is from Que Bella Professional. And this is a Spa Feel Fabric Mask, Selfie Ready Makeup Priming Sheet Mask. Beautiful. So that was the box for February, I would say, because it does talks about Valentine's Day. And it's a Love Yourself box. Let me know what you guys thought. I'm really excited about the dry shampoo, the deodorant. I'm actually kind of excited about the mask, even though like I'm not a huge mask person. Everything else, oh, this one I'm not excited, but I would like to try it. Everything else I'm not too into it because you guys know about my whole shampoo issue. I can't. Vichy is my man, okay? Vichy is my man. And the conditioner, definitely I can use. The other shampoos, I'll probably give them away or have my husband or somebody use them. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this Target Beauty Box haul and unboxing. Let me know what you guys thought of this box. Let me know if you got it, what your favorite product was, or if you plan on getting it. I will leave the link down below if it's still available. Please like, comment, subscribe as usual, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you.